We'll guide you through how to create icons in Figma, a crucial skill for any designer looking to enhance their projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma in your desktop app or browser and create a new design file. To start designing an icon, select the Frame tool from the toolbar or press F on your keyboard. Click on the canvas and choose a preset size from the right sidebar, or create a custom frame. For icon design, a common frame size is 24 x 24 pixels, although you can use any dimensions required by your design system. Next, use the Shape tools from the toolbar to build the icon. You can choose from shapes such as rectangle, ellipse, line, polygon, or star. Click and drag inside the frame to draw your first shape. To keep proportions while resizing, hold Shift as you drag a corner handle. Use the alignment controls in the top toolbar or the design panel to precisely position elements within the frame. To create more complex icons, combine multiple shapes using Figma's Boolean operations. Select two or more shapes, then choose Union Selection, Subtract Selection, Intersect Selection, or Exclude Selection from the toolbar. For example, a cloud icon can be created by overlapping several circles and a rectangle, then applying Union Selection to merge them into a single vector shape. Once the basic icon structure is complete, customize its appearance using the design panel on the right. You can adjust the fill color, stroke weight, corner radius, and opacity. If needed, add visual enhancements such as shadows or blur effects from the Effects section. Although most modern UI icons are kept simple and effect-free for clarity and scalability. For custom shapes and detailed edits, use the Pen tool by pressing P. This allows you to create and edit vector paths with precise control over anchor points and curves. You can also enter vector editing mode by double-clicking a vector object to fine-tune individual points and segments. As you work, use Figma's smart guides, pixel grid, and zoom controls to ensure accurate alignment and consistent spacing. For interface icons, it's often helpful to align strokes and shapes to whole pixels to maintain crisp rendering at smaller sizes. When your icon is finished, select the frame or vector object you want to export. In the right sidebar, scroll to the Export section and click the plus button. Choose a format such as SVG, PNG, PDF, or JPG, set the export scale if needed, and click Export. Your icon is now ready for use in websites, mobile apps, design systems, or other digital projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.